If you want to change the clock size on the lock screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, let's go to the lock screen. Now to change the lock screen clock style, just tap and hold on the empty space on your lock screen. Then enter your lock screen pin. From here, just select Customize. And once you have done that, you will be able to increase the clock size by dragging the clock from the bottom right corner over here, just like that. And once you are satisfied with your lock screen clock style, just tap on Done to save. But the option to increase the clock size will not appear if you use a custom lock screen clock style. Now let's say if we select this lock screen clock style, as you can see the option to increase the clock size will disappear. So make sure you select the default option. And after you select the default option, the option to increase the clock size will appear, just like that. Now just extend it as you like, then tap on Done to save. Just like that. And this is how you can change the clock size on the lock screen of the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.